132.3.
And you said I was putting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a light behind the door. So that's for when somebody's sitting here, they can just reach right over in the chair instead of trying to find it in their corner,
Nope,
right?
that's not why.
Oh, it's not?
See, you and I don't, and I don't mean this to be insulting.
Yeah.
I don't understand everything that a person with a disability deals with.
Okay.
But the way it was explained to me was a person backs their wheelchair in here and they can then operate
Right.
this. Reaching way over
Yeah,
here
that's what I meant.
is too far of a, it's not for when they're sitting on the toilet, it's for when they're doing the transferring.
From the chair to the seat.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I'm so fortunate I don't deal with any of those things.
Yeah.
I'll borrow this real quick. That's perfect.
We got precision tech in here, man. They don't be messing around.
And that's good. They got that.
That's what I like about
Alright, so I know we got stuff upstairs.
that. Now you told me about the corking.
Oh, that's not part of plumbing.
Okay.
That was,
Yeah. Well, I started.
yeah, that's, sometimes I tell you things.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you a story, you're gonna like this. I went one day do an inspection for a HVAC system in this person's house. The husband and wife weren't home, the grandmother was there at the house. So I said, I need a ladder to get to the attic. I gotta do something with this electric too. So I go, she says, there's a ladder in the shed. I go to the backyard, carry the ladder to the second floor of the house, do the inspection, carry the ladder back. You know the mayor got a complaint from the owners of the bucket?
Scratch the floor.
I'm not the mark on the carpet.
Yeah, scratch the floor.
I left the mark on the carpet.
So what you supposed to do? Come on.
And I said to her, I says, Kevin, I says, if I wouldn't have gone out and got the ladder, they would have complained that, what, you couldn't go outside, you couldn't go out and get the ladder for, you know? All right, so I know I gotta look up on the roof.
They're doing the and see, we had a fence like that on the other side, man. Shit. Took it down, thinking that they had to take it down. This is precision too. What kind of caps?
Locking caps.
Locking caps.
Yes, that's a special cap. And watch yourself on the
Yeah, I
side.
got you. Come here, Rolly. Come on. Locking caps.
It's the same thing over here.
Okay. Locking caps on the
On the condenser, on the line
condenser.
set.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta get that fence.
Yeah.
Fence.
Yeah. haven't checked to see if he put that cap on.